the person Breadfruit them ripe. So right now, we only have one Breadfruit. Inside though. You said two more for a while ago? At them time? On the backyard. I roast some bro. I'm like when Breadfruit fry. I really like when it roast. Or eat it so. Like this guy after this. Morning guys, welcome back to the channel. So today kind of look overcast, so we just stay outside. I go bust up some coconut, put them in another jug here, so we can drink it on the go. So first now I get the machete ready, my sharp meat up, and then I'm gonna bust them. I'm gonna put them in another jug here. I'm gonna put them in another jug there, right? So we can have it on the go instead of open them one by one and I drink it. But liquor, dogs and watch them. Terrorize the place at night time, you know. Alright guys, so we just opened the whole of them coconut there. So we'll take out, good morning. So we'll take out the jelly out of them and I put them in a that. So Chris and I just opened them for me. So that may deal with it right now. What time funeral? Guys, so this are the coconut that we get out of the jelly them. I think I have two more. The meat. I think I have two more, but I'm not gonna cut them out. Cause this is more than enough. Can't eat all four of it. Alright guys, so stay tuned for the rest of the video. Rochelle, the back grill pull? Rochelle? Okay, alright. Alright guys, so we got some breadfruit last night. I may tell us should I take all the breadfruit them out of the bag. Alright, we have one caucus bag and three of them come out for them that already turn and buy them in the bag and they eat. The breadfruit them ripe. So right now we only have one breadfruit to work with. So we're there in the backyard. Chris and I like set up a fire, be a mosquito when so we try deal with the mosquito them first and then we're gonna try roast that one breadfruit here. Alright? Stay tuned. So we're there try make a big mosquito destroyer. With the whole of the leaves them a drop off of the tree. Yardman style. So mosquito them out there for days. Mosquito them terrible, yeah? Yes man. Yeah man. Wanna try mosquito bite. Sometimes I don't feel them, you know? Until afterwards. And then mosquito, I don't know they're so big. I said, them mosquito, you know the mosquito them when we grew up with? Mosquito them big. You know, oh they're so big. And so So I make a destroyer, you know? So some majority of them wet. But the one them with the over here, so them don't look wet. Like where they right there, so.
Dry one, then I use try catch it first.
Mm-hmm.
Also, and bush, I'm going in the night, I really can't fall too much and I can't catch a fire.
Yeah.
So, really fall.
You find the bush, yeah?
Find the bush for you.
Mm-hmm.
Bust the fire, just give the fire a nice burn. I can come here, but I come like when the sun dry.
When them be dry, yeah. Alright, guys. So the repellent are gone. The fire blaze up. I try to get rid of some of the mosquito them, you know? So we are do it yard man style. We go back to basic with it. Mm-hmm.
Hello, foreigner.
When we don't wear them up on it?
Jamaica 50 something.
Oh. 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 There. Really?
Want it?
Well, I want it.
Why no people are on green time? I don't know you have tired of green. I don't know you have a wear it. Leave it alone. Green is strong. Father, keep it attention. Wow.
Looks like you now have to pull it up again. You can just dry it up and take it off your head. And you have to put it on the dust.
Upside down.
Outside though. So until I run at the bad tie tire. You know, like you not pointed enough on the thick. Yeah. And that's why. Sorry to disappoint you, sir.
You see it, yo?
Breadfruit come here and say it half ripe. You say it open up a while ago?
Yo, one of the things there, you know.
At them time the breadfruit nice, you know.
You line up yellow number, you know, brother, because yellow number slip up from me last, my phone there.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I don't know what Jamaica, so I just beer vibes. So then at the backyard, I'm gonna roast some breadfruit and a whole of vibe. So stay tuned for the rest of the vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Try to get to 1K guys, so subscribe to the channel and do the right thing. I hope we get to 1K. Can I get the channel monetized? Over there on the backyard. I roast some breadfruit and I'm going breadfruit as I say because other one they spoil, other three spoil, so I just one of them where I work with. Just turn it from the other side. See, look. See there? Just turn it over. Almost soon ready. So we just are going to build and I going, you know, the fire going to do its thing, yard man style. Alright? Stay tuned for the rest of the vlog. You know, it's something like the breadfruit. When it kinda when it turn, yeah, when it close to ripe. When you roast it, that tastes good, man. So the breadfruit are kinda turn, so you know, say how like a nice. So after we're done with it, we're gonna peel it, and I think me I gonna fry it up in the morning. I like when breadfruit fry. I don't really like when it roast. I will eat it so, but I prefer it when it's fried. So I think we're gonna fry it in the morning. Feel like rain and come back down. I can feel it as usual.
Remember what this is? This is an iron. Iron your clothes. put it on the fire for it to eat up, and then you use it to iron your clothes. It's very heavy, not because I'm holding it like this, it's very heavy.